Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to align text in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now once you open it, sign in, and at the bottom of your screen, you can see little plus sign. Tap on it and select the image and use it in your design. Well, you can also delete the picture, or you can use any blank picture and add text on it. I'm going to delete the picture that I selected to make the video a bit clear. Now select the text and select add heading. So you tap on add text, you can type in the text you want to align. Well, I'm going to write, "Hello, this is One to Step." Now all you have to do is select it. You can see it's not aligned. Hello, this is in the middle, and One to Step is a bit spreaded. Now tap on the text and scroll a bit side, and you can see B format. Tap on B format. Now once you do that, on the second line you can see there are 4 options. You can align it at the left or right. And guys, that's it. That's how you align your text using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.